Here's my early review of my new COSTWAY air fryer and convection oven. Everything has been really great so far. I've used it thus far, currently baking some chicken nuggets. They're cooking very well in the air frying basket. I also toasted a bagel and that worked very well. This is only cooked for about 10 minutes and I'm pretty much done without preheating, which is great. I upgraded to this because my old air fryer was too small for my family of 5 and this is working perfectly thus far. It has a light to be able to check out inside, which is also a really nice feature. Lots of different temperatures, baking, convection. I currently have it on the air fry model. And this is just for toasting, so if you're making toast, you turn it on the toasting function and use this knob. But yeah, definitely a great product, and I would definitely recommend it.
Just got our new toaster oven and air fryer all-in-one combo unit. It works great. You can see, just did some air fry on some wings last night. Turned out nice and crispy and not overdone. It's also got awesome temperature control. And the thing is that it doesn't just do air fry. It doesn't just be a toaster oven. So you can still do your toast in it and everything else. So it's just a great space-saving device because it's pretty compact. Takes up a little bit of counter space. Doesn't take much room for it to work. Short throw door, and it's even got a built-in light for it. Works real nice.